It looks like the masks that the freedivers use today. Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, or if you're watching this from Facebook, don't forget to like and follow my page. Today we received gifts from our friend from Higher Sport, so thank you so much Mr. Sunny for the trust. I will be showing to you the Higher Sport shop in Shopee and also the actual products that I received from them. The first two products that I'll be showing you will be the two kinds of goggles that we received from them. So first, I'll be showing you the kids goggles. So it comes along with a ziplock and also a net case for the children's goggles. It's available in pink and also color blue. So this is how it looks like. It has a film to protect the goggles before you use it. So it's saying that don't touch lens inside or anti-fog coating will break. So remove film before use. I actually love the design. It looks like the masks that the freedivers use today, but it does not have the nose cover. It already has a built-in earplug in case you need earplugs while swimming. So this is the color pink once again, and they also have the color blue for children. The next one is the adult goggles. And this is how it looks like. It also comes along with a net case. And it has a mirror coated lens. What is the mirror coated lens for? So it actually reflects the light that comes in to your eyes while swimming or diving. So this is how it looks like. See, you can see the reflection from here. Alright, so it also has a film so that you need to remove this film before swimming. Protective film removed before use. Here you go. So it has an adjustable strap so that it can fit all head sizes. Like the children's goggles, it comes along with free earplugs as well, built in for convenience so that you won't have to worry about where your earplugs are when you need it for swimming. So not all swimmers need earplugs when they're swimming, but there are also people who have problems with their ears perhaps, that they need something to cover it while swimming so that water won't go inside. So this is the best goggles for you. This is for adults, for men and women, and this is only 99 pesos. I'm right now in the Shopee shop of Mr. Sunny Hong, or the Higher Sport. So this is here, the Higher Sport or higher.ph. They are very responsive. That's why I like their shop. And their products are of high quality. I still have the products that they sent years ago. It's still very durable. It hasn't been damaged ever since. So right now I'm looking at the goggles. So this is the goggle that I received. The goggles are made with a mirror-coated lens, help reflect light away from the eyes. It reduces glare by reflecting much of the light that hits the lens surface. So this is mirrored. So dili na siya sakit sa mata if inyong suoton. And then it also has already anti-fog and anti-leak, so you don't have to worry about fogging or leaking water inside the goggles while you're wearing it underwater. It also has adjustable strap to increase comfort and so that the silicone strap can fit any head size. It also has UV ray protection to help prevent harmful rays from injuring your eyes while you are swimming or diving. It also has free earplugs already connected to the goggles, so you don't have to look for it whenever you're diving. So if you require earplugs while swimming, this is the best goggle for you. So here again, you can choose different colors. By the way, this is for men, but women can still wear it. This is the black color. That is 99 pesos. Very affordable na siya, guys. They have a 75% off sale right now. And for the blue one, it's 129, and that is for kids. So if you can see, it looks like goggles that I use for free diving.
but it doesn't have the nose cover. Okay, and then if you can see, there are already earplugs at the side, and then for the girls, they also have children's goggles that is colored pink. Again, this is 129 pesos, 68% off from the regular price that they had before. So again, 129 for the blue kids goggles and 129 for the children's pink goggles. And for the men or women's goggles, which is colored black with mirrored lens, it's only 99 pesos and it has 75% off discount. So they actually offer free shipping. If your order reaches 249 pesos, you won't be paying for shipping anymore. So this is just the first and second products that I received from Higher Sport.
So thank you so much, Higher Sport, once again for the trust, Sir Sunny. They have given me before underwater flashlights and unsa pa to daghan na silang products na hatag nato. So thank you so much, Sir Sunny. And also the floating device, the life-saving device, they also gave that. So thank you so much for watching this video and thank you so much for your support. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Love you. So please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel if you haven't. Like and follow my page if you have not supported yet. And feel free to leave comments or questions in the comment section if you have any questions for Sir Sunny or about the products that I have vlogged today. So once again, please don't forget, Yupard at Higher Sport or higher.ph in Shopee. Thank you so much and I hope to see you in my next vlog, lovies. Bye! Happy diving! Keep safe!